In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to find courses using the quick search on the professional development page. So you will notice when you go to Great Prairie's professional development page, there is a calendar front and center here. And so you can use this calendar to search classes by the month. So for example, this is December 2020, and we have a math class that is happening on December 18th, which happens to be today. And then you can flip through the months and look at future classes by month. And you'll notice that up here in the top left-hand corner, it says Great Prairie AEA. That's because this calendar is currently only listing Great Prairie classes. Now, if you wanted to look at classes in another AEA or through AEA Learning Online, all you have to do is click on their icon. So let's look at Heartland, for example. Notice how up in the top left-hand corner, the name changed from Great Prairie to Heartland, so you know that you're now searching Heartland classes. And you can flip through the months. To get to the class, you can click on the course number, which is blue hyperlinked here, and it will prompt you to log into the system. But since I was already logged in, it's going to go ahead and take me directly to the class. This is probably the easiest and quickest way to find classes in the catalog, but it's only updated once or twice a week because it's an external source. So it is possible that there's some classes in here that aren't showing yet because it hasn't updated. So in the next video, I'm going to show you how to search courses within the catalog, and you'll see all of the current listings that are available.